So I'm going to show you an application called Minutes, which allows you to share real-time notes, very collaborative and uniquely time-sensitive. So I will just start the demo using a sprint planning meeting as an example. So you'll see on the left it's an edit pane, on the right it's a preview pane. The agenda will include an overview, a game of planning poker, and some questions from the audience. Now, what you'll notice is on the right, this is the actual experience that the preview is giving you of other participants that they'll see. So we'll review the sprint goal, we'll answer questions, and in the planning poker game, we'll review our velocity and estimate some stories. So you can see, in this example, let's do a dash to give you a little bullet, and UAT 1, 2, 3, reduce login complexity. So we'll share this either by a link or the meeting code and have another participant join. So you can see how, so far, how real time the keystrokes and the updates are showing in yellow. And Jeff comes aboard and has a question. He asks, what is Agile? Or maybe he wants to find out more about base64 encoding. In both cases, the content is updated in the editor, and the editor can revise the content. Anyone can see the Wikipedia entries that have been pulled up, the examples that are useful in this particular example. It's collapsible, as all sections are collapsible, and you can see how, as an editor or a participant, you can be highly collaborative, and it's very quick, very real time, keystroke by keystroke. So those are the first two aspects. It's real-time nature and highly collaborative. So let's take a look at the time-sensitive nature, where we'll put in some time for these topics. Let's start the meeting at 9:30. We'll do planning poker at 9:35 and answer questions at 9:40. So we can see at 9:30 it's already red because we're a minute away from beginning the meeting. So what's interesting is, as I enter the content here, participants can see where we are in the flow of the meeting without having to watch the clock. So if we move forward in time, and we're in the overview of our time slot, we can see that we're getting closer to planning poker, so it just goes blue. This will give us a little bit of an indication. The closer we get, it goes from blue to orange to red. And that flow goes throughout the meeting so that you have a sense of the time of which a topic will take and how much time you have remaining. And that's it. I hope you give it a try and enjoy the application.